Hello kids, good morning everyone. How are you all? Fit and fine? Okay, very nice. Okay now today is the turn of English 2, English grammar, and moving with the further syllabus, we are going to start the another chapter. Chapter is past tense. Tenses we have done in the earlier, in there all the three tenses were there. Now here one by one each tense has been described separately with the rules and examples. Okay, so first, according to the book, the chapter is past tense. Now what is past tense? It's very simple. Past, an action that has already done in the past, which is already finished, which has already happened in the past. That type of work or action is known as to be done in the past tense. जो काम हम कर चुके हैं, ओवर हो गया, हमने शुरू किया, वी स्टार्टेड इन द पास्ट एंड इट इज़ फिनिश इन द पास्ट ओनली, पास्ट टाइम. तो दैट टाइप ऑफ टेंस टाइम इज नोन एज पास्ट टेंस. ओके, सी द एग्जाम्पल. द चिल्ड्रन प्लेड इन द पार्क. द चिल्ड्रन प्लेड इन द पार्क. Here played, you can see there is some change in the spelling also. Main verb is what? Play, but here it is played. Why? Because this sentence, this verb is in past tense. The children played in the park. If we divide it, if we make it into two parts, this play, it is main verb, okay, and ed. If we are adding ed, by adding ed, what is it showing? It is showing the past time. If we are not adding ed, then it is showing the present time, but if we add ed, it shows the past time. So these verbs get changed according to the time and by adding something after the verb. You can say it as suffix after the verb, okay. And when we are changing or we are adding, then there are some changes in the spellings also. Sometimes what happens, the whole spelling is changed. Sometimes just we are adding ed. Sometimes after, if there is any y in any word in the last, then what we have to do, we are supposed to remove that y and write I instead of that. See here, I have written some examples for you people. See, walk, it becomes walked when we are adding ed, only ed. There is no change in the spelling. Walk remains walk, we just have to add ed. Occupy, now see here it is y, according to the rule which is given. Y, we have to remove this y and instead we have to use I and then ed, then it will become occupied. This is the another type of change. Then it's speak, totally it is changed. See, it has become spoke. The spelling is completely changed. So there are some changes when we are talking about the past tense according to the rule. These are the some examples, and this type of tense is known as simple past tense. There are 4 parts which you have studied. So one of them is, the beginning is simple past tense. Okay.